Hello guys, so now we shall be discussing regarding another very important infection, that is Madura Foot, or also called as Mycetoma. Okay, so Mycetoma or the Madura Foot. Okay, now Mycetoma or the Madura Foot or the Madura Foot. Now here this is a picture of Mycetoma or Madura Foot, right? So in this picture, what are the three important things can you see, guys? Is there any swelling here in the leg or no? Yes, there is a swelling. Okay, now not only swelling, can you see multiple open sinuses? Sinuses is nothing but an opening. Can you see multiple openings here? Right? Yes, these are called as multiple sinus sites, right? So I can also see multiple sinus sites. Okay, apart from this, I can also see the discharge, right? This discharge is called as a granular discharge, because you will see granules in that. Granular discharge. So all these three important things, that is swelling, multiple sinus sites and granular discharge, all of them, these three things together, it forms a triad, isn't it? So this triad is called as the triad for Mycetoma. Okay, so this is the triad which has been formed over here. So this is how you diagnose the Mycetoma, right? And next important thing is that this Mycetoma is caused both by bacteria. Madura Foot is caused both by bacteria. It is also caused by fungi. Okay, so Madura Foot is caused both by bacteria. It is also caused both by fungi. Okay, bacteria as well as fungi. So if it is caused by bacteria, you call it as Actinomycetoma. If it is caused by bacteria, okay, you call this condition as Actinomycetoma. But if this condition is caused by the fungi, right, you call this as Eumycetoma. Actinomycetoma as well as Eumycetoma. Okay, now when you look at this Actinomycetoma, in Actinomycetoma I told you granules, right? So there is a granular discharge. Just now I told you that there is a granule discharge. So the granule discharge in case of Actinomycetoma, there are two different types of granules formed. One is called as whitish yellowish granules, another one is pinkish reddish granules. Okay, one is whitish yellowish and another granules. These are the granules. Okay, these are the granules over here. Another one is pinkish and reddish, pink reddish granules or pink red granules. Now when it comes to Eumycetoma, there are only two types of granules formed. That is, one is called as white, another one is called as black. One is called as white, another one is called as black granules. Okay, so what is the bacteria that is causing this particular problem, that is Actinomycetoma? There are two bacteria. One is called as Nocardia, okay, and the other one you call it as Actinomyces, Nocardia as well as Actinomyces. Now here if you look at the examples, these examples are Madurella, Mycetomatis, Madurella, Mycetomatis. Actually this was the first case that is found in Madurai, Chennai. Okay, so that is the reason why you call it as a Madura Foot. Okay, so it is caused by bacteria as well as fungi. Bacteria it is called as Actinomycetoma, fungi it is called as Eumycetoma. Okay, so the granules which they are discharging, there are two colors, whitish yellowish, okay, whitish yellowish as well as a pink red, and on the other hand white as well as a black. So the examples are Nocardia, and here it is Madurella, Mycetomatis is an example.